How to see who didn't accept friend request on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome. So first of all, you have to start by going on your profile on the bottom right corner and click on the three bars on the top right and click on this your activity. Once you have clicked on that, you have to scroll all the way down to this download your information. Simply click on that and click on request start download. And as you can see, complete copy or select type of information you want to download. So we're gonna click on the select type of information and see if there is an option of followers and following. So now if I scroll down, as you can see, followers and following. So simply click on that and click on next. Now again scroll down to this data range, you can also select that. So in the notify, you have to start by entering your email address, and the second one is format. You have to simply click on that, and for now we're gonna select it HTML. And in the media quality, you have to select high, and now simply click on the submit request. And as you can see, your information is being prepared for download. We will let you know when it will. So here this will gonna take a lot of time. So once you have your file ready, you have to simply download it from here. So once you have downloaded this, you need a raw file viewer, so you can simply download it from Play Store. So once you have downloaded this, you can simply view your followers and following pending requests. So that's how basically you can see who didn't accept friend request on Instagram.